Ka wadhi bura mar nek ma japuonj Albert Ojwang dhi nyime e odiechieng' mar ariyo e doho ma Kibera e buore Nairobi ka janeno mopand nonro mare dhi nyime gi golo neno. Wadhi ane achiel kachiel nyaka e doho ma Kibera.
Thank you, Mr. Gishengo.
You can see people entering the cells.
We are at 22:19. 22?
I'm not asking according to your statement. I'm not asking according to your statement. I'm asking according to what you're seeing. Because not everything you've been asked is according to your statement. According to what you've seen. You can see, are they under any police escort? No.
It was 22 what?
1734. So, can you say they're detainees? No. Kindly, whoever is also assisting.
But even you, Mr. Omanga, while you are looking at the two walking, you need to tell the court the relevance of the two to the proceedings and whether you recognize them, because then you can't just throw something like that and it can be any other two, because it's a police station and that's outside. It will come. It again. All right. All right. Although I can recognize someone there, but proceed. Yes, because the mind of the court is such that you must build up.
Yes.
You must build up. Otherwise, it will be a lost sentence.
We will build up.
Thank you, counsel. All right. They are walking to the police station without a police escort. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Correct, Madam Witness? Yes. Very well. As an officer, a police officer, you stated that you went through the footage.
Yes.
Were you alone?
No.
Who was there? Who else? Yes? You're just two of you. And you say you're the one who was operating the...
Yes.
Are there some points when you used to pause, when you are pausing the team and you proceed?
No, the time was when the OCS came in, so that that's when the identified one of them who will be done.
Very well, very well. Kindly confirm to us that from your statement, you say that at some point there is something that was being carried. It's at 22, I think that I kept in my records. 22, 45, 47. Kindly check that. That is for two people. 22, 46, I believe.
22, 46 or
Yes,
24?
46.
Okay.
22, 46. It should play. That is what. Okay, come back a bit. I want to see where these people are carried.
Try and move it slowly.
No, where they're heading to another thing. It's 2246. 46. That is 45. So yes. Yes. Yeah, just move on.
2246?
Yes, 2246.
Play very slowly.
Just there. Pause it there. How many people are you seeing there?
5 images.
You are seeing 5 people. Confirm that. Are they carrying anything?
For now, they are not. But
Not for now. I'm asking you, according to what you're seeing, are they carrying anything?
no, they are pushing something.
It's okay. They are not carrying anything, correct? But the statement I went through, you had indicated clearly and you signed that they were carrying something, correct?
Yes.
Did you describe whatever they were carrying?
No, I said something.
Something. How did that something look like? Did you describe it?
No.
Are we sure that we are referring to the same footage with the one that you viewed?
Yes.
So it's all, just wait, you're saying it's the same footage, yeah? So it's only that you are inaccurate in your testimony vis-a-vis your statement. Correct?
According to what is
No. Just confirm that you're inaccurate so that you're helped. I'm even helping you.
My lady mentioned that.
You object while standing?
Sorry, my lady. His statement is bordering on, I don't know how to say it. It's very inappropriate.
He's actually putting.
What? The answer to the witness, I sustain yours, not yours. Yes.
I didn't want to
You wanted to be so polite because just restructure. Story hakuna. Restructure the question. Proceed. Yes. Because you want her to respond to your yes or no, but she wants to explain. Give her just time, but repeat the question, but a little bit different. You have a very good question. It's just that you are answering for her.
Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV en thuolo mar kawo yweyo mokwongo e migago. Kik idhi mabor bang' thuolo machuok waduogo gi mathoth.